Hello friends, good morning. Here is Dr. Janal Singh Anand from Punjab, and the topic for today is employment opportunities in post-corona world. Now that we are facing the onslaught of corona, it is also necessary to think of post-corona life and how it is going to affect the people in the job sector. While dealing with corona during these times, the governments have realized the potential of digitalization. And this experiment is going to be followed through for business communication and for educational instruction as well. I feel that it rings the death knell for government jobs because in future the instruction is going to be online and teachers and experts from local as well as abroad will be available plenty. As such, there will be no need for physical presence of the teachers in the schools or colleges, and they can be made to function from their homes. This will definitely reduce the need for staff, and while jobs can be slashed, there is also possibility of having recruitment on hourly basis, which means slashing off the salaries of the staff members as well. The working ethos of employees too will change. The bio-attendance and physical presence of students in schools and colleges can be a threat and may have to be given the go by. The universities will not need 26 acres of land nor any physical assets except a small building because everything will be online. Exam online, result online, then jobs online. So what I see is there is going to be a paradigm shift in the job scenario. Jobs will be actually converted to work, and only the best will get the work. It will lead to an upsurge in the number of unemployed people immediately. The government must ensure an equitable system of government jobs. The idea of merit does not stand scrutiny. It will be better if the government restricts one government job to one family of four. In this way, government jobs can be given to those who are out of them, and we can have a society bred on equality. If the husband and wife both are in the job, in government job, one of them must relinquish the job. What I see here is a paradigm shift. I find jobs evaporating and people working from home on hourly basis, while the streets will be flooded with the armies of the unemployed because we have never given them ample thought or attention to change the patterns and remove the job consciousness among the educated classes. They should think of innovations, original work, and government must support the really intelligent students to come up with entrepreneurial projects. We need to build up a crop of excellencia. The focus should be on quality. Only then we can fight off the challenge of unemployment. Dear friends, I wish you good health and happiness and pray we take on corona and survive this pandemic and then continue to prosper whatever the circumstances. Thank you very much.